The most compatible zodiac signs are these 10 pairs. Some of us believe in astrology and rest does not, but when it comes to the compatibility factor, we are a little more curious. Number 1. Leo and Libra. Leos are considered to be very aggressive and impulsive in nature, and they are attractive to the ones who are very confident and peaceful in themselves. And being confident and peaceful is one of the main characteristics of Libra. Plus they are also very calm, which will be balance the aggressive nature of Leo and will develop understanding between them. Number 2. Libra and Gemini. Libra and Gemini are most alike in nature. The compatibility ratio between them is really very high. Geminis are known for their social nature and also for their ability to talk endless about anything, anytime, anywhere, and Libras are great at balancing things and keeping things in control, so they both complete each other on various levels, which makes them to the most compatible pair. Number 3. Aquarius and Aries. Aquarius and Aries both are known for their energy level and excitement about life. Both the signs seek adventure and hate getting bored. The company of each other will always keep them from getting bored. Aries' determined nature and Aquarius' clear vision of life is what makes them good for each other. Number 4. Cancer and Aries. Despite being completely opposite from each other, the duo shares a great amount of compatibility. Aries are bold and brave in nature, while Cancers have low self-esteem and are sensitive in nature. The braveness of Aries will help in Cancer in pushing their limits and achieve better in their life, and Cancer will introduce Aries with the sentiments that they are missing. Number 5. Pisces and Cancer. The compatible factor is high between these two zodiac signs due to the similarity in nature. Both the signs are emotional, sensitive, and is well aware of the importance of love in the life of people. They will develop a very considerable mature understanding between them, and their relationship will automatically have a security. Number 6. Sagittarius and Leo. Like the relationship between Aquarius and Aries, these two signs will seek adventure and fun with the same amount of energy level. They will have some spontaneity in their nature. Let's just not forget they both are fire signs, so the great chemistry with a lot of memorable moments is obvious between them. Number 7. Aries and Pisces. Both the signs are already in love with the idea of living their life, which will make them fall in love with each other. With the same intensity, Pisces and Aries will have everlasting romance and moments full of life. Pisces are really impulsive in nature, with Aries just like to go with the flow, so they will enjoy their life to its fullest and will never be bored in company of another one. Number 8. Aquarius and Gemini. Aquarius and Gemini are compatible with each other due to their same level of state of mind. They share some intellectual level and wisdom in their nature. They will also develop a highly romantic relationship between them. They will connect themselves on mental and emotional levels. Number 9. Taurus and Capricorn. These zodiac signs will make a good pair because of their similar vision toward life. They both know how to give themselves a break from the daily routine of their life. The twists in their routine will never disturb their seriousness for life. They just know how to relax and have fun for a while. Number 10. Leo and Scorpio. Scorpios are great talker and debater, and those always appreciate or are attracted towards the ones that are confident about themselves. The two will always be in constant competition with each other, but it will only bring the sweetness in their relationship. They will be really possessive of each other. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest interesting facts update.